ओके, एक्ट 3 सीन 6, फाइन। और यहाँ पे ना मैकबेथ है ना लेडी मैकबेथ है ना कोई है। लेनॉक्स सरकास्टिकली कुछ बोल रहा है। And please, in the meantime, download and install and get access to all the free material if you haven't done it yet. करो 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 बेटा करो। और अब शुरू, scene 6. Somewhere in Scotland, enter Lennox and another lord. Lennox, my former speeches have but hit your thoughts, which can interpret further. Only I say, things have been strangely born. And Lennox is being very reserved in his speech. खुल के कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, बट हाँ इशारा कर रहा है कि मैकबेथ इतना बढ़िया आदमी नहीं है। ही हैज प्लेड द गेम वेल बट ही हैज बीन फाउल। ठीक, तो बोला ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा, बट वट एवर आई से आई होप यू इंटरप्रेट दैट करेक्टली। द ग्रेशियस डंकन पिटीड ऑफ मैकबेथ मैरी ही वाज डेड। ये एक्चुअली वर्जिन मैरी, ठीक है, एक छोटा सा ओथ हो गया। ही सेज दैट डंकन जो था हमारा राजा, ठीक है, तो मैकबेथ वाज एक्चुअली यू कैन से his death was lamented by Macbeth. Macbeth बड़ा दुख दिखा रहा था, and oh, Duncan is dead. And the right valiant Banquo, the courageous valiant Banquo walked too late, and he walked too late, which means वो अंधेरा हो गया तब उसने जो है कासल की तरफ चलना शुरू किया था। Whom you may say, if it please you, Fleance killed, and if it pleases you, you can say that his son killed Banquo. Fleance killed him. For Fleance fled, क्योंकि वो स्केप कर गया, वहां से भाग गया। Men must not walk too late. आदमी को देर से इतनी शाम को चलना नहीं चाहिए। Who cannot want the thought how monstrous it was for Malcolm and for Donalbain to kill their gracious father, and who doesn't believe that how monstrous, how brutal and cruel it was for those two sons, Malcolm and Donalbain, to kill their own father, Duncan? Damned fact, how it did grieve Macbeth. And ये इससे मैकबेथ को दुख कितना हुआ था देखा आपने? It is all being sarcastically said. All right, did he not straight in pious rage the two delinquents tear that were the slaves of drink and thralls of sleep? And वो मैकबेथ ने अपने गुस्से को दिखाते हुए, you know how angry he was, how sad and angry he was, that he went and killed those two guards who were already drunk and were the slaves of sleep. तो इन्होंने जाके बहुत अच्छे से सारा सबूत भी शायद वहां पे मिटा दिया। Was not that nobly done? Aye, and wisely too, for it would have angered any heart alive to hear the men deny it. और अगर वो जिंदा रहते तो प्रॉब्ली वो मर्डर डिनाई करते तो शायद और वहां पे पूछताछ होती, और पूछताछ से साफ पता चलता कि मैकबेथ हैज done that deed. So that I say, he has borne all things well, and hence I say that Macbeth has managed everything well. Malcolm Donalbain भाग गया, Fleance भाग गया, Duncan is dead, Banquo is dead, those two guards, they are dead. कुछ बचा ही नहीं as proof. And I do think that had he, Duncan's son, under his key, as, and please heaven he shall not, they should find what it were to kill a father. And I believe that had Duncan, had Macbeth captured the two sons, Malcolm and Donalbain, they would have felt his wrath. They would have realized how bad, how monstrous, how brutal, how cruel it was to kill your own father. And so should Fleance. And Fleance के भी इल्जाम तो वही ना कि Banquo अपने पापा को मारा। But peace, for from broad words and cause he failed his presence at the tyrant's feast, I hear Macduff lives in disgrace. But peace, but quiet, we should not speak too loudly. And from what I hear, Macbeth is very angry with Macduff because Macduff was not there at his feast. Sir, can you tell where he bestows himself? Sir, can you tell where Macduff is? Lord, the son of Duncan, from whom this tyrant holds the due of birth, the son of Duncan, lives in the English court and is received of the most pious Edward with such grace that the malevolence of fortune nothing takes from his high respect. Thither Macduff is gone to pray the holy king upon his aid, to wake Northumberland, and warlike Seward, that by the help of these, with him above to ratify the work, we may again give to our tables meat, sleep to our nights, free from our feast and banquets bloody knives, do faithful homage and receive free honors, all which we pine for now. And this report hath so exasperate the king that he prepares for some attempt of war. All right. अब दूसरा लॉर्ड कहता है कि डंकन का जो बेटा है मैल्कम, जो इंग्लैंड गया है, ठीक है, तो इंग्लैंड के राजा ने he has welcomed him and he has been very kind to Malcolm, from whom this tenant holds the due of birth. भाई राजा तो मैल्कम को बनना था, बन मैकबेथ गया है. Lives in the English court and is received of the most pious Edward with such grace that malevolence of fortune, कि जो fortune, ये बुरा जो वक्त है, ये कुछ बहुत नुकसान मैल्कम का नहीं कर पा रहा है. And Macduff is also going to meet the king and tell him and request him to wake Northumberland and warlike Seward, that by the help of these, with him above to ratify the work, with him above Macduff उनको चार्ज, उनको गाइड करता हुआ, लीड करता हुआ आएगा, and so that we may again give our tables meat, sleep to our nights, which means we again get some sort of peace and a happy and fulfilling life, free from our feast and banquets bloody knives, do faithful homage and receive free honors. We actually be loyal to someone and receive honors for which we are pining, which means we are we are desirous of, and we don't have to kind of lick the tyrant's feet to get those honors. We do a good deed and we get honored for that. All which we pine now, and this report hath so exasperate the king that he prepares for some attempt of war. और इस खबरों, ऐसी खबरों से जो राजा है वो इतना infuriated, angry हो चुका है, annoyed हो चुका है, that he is preparing for some war. Lennox sent he to Macduff. He did, मतलब किसी को भेजा मैकडफ से बात करने के लिए, तो he आया, he did, and with an absolute, sir, not I. The cloudy messenger turns me his back and hums, as who should say, you'll rue the time that clogs me with this answer and right. अब यहां पे जो मैसेंजर आया है मैकडफ के पास, तो मैकडफ ने मना कर दिया कि मैं कोर्ट में नहीं आने वाला, I will not come and see Macbeth. And messenger turns his back and he's humming, full of arrogance. And ऐसा तभी हो सकता है जब उसके ऊपर मैकबेथ का हाथ है. He is secure and he hums and moves and says, वो इशारा ऐसा करता है कि जो तुम कर रहे हो मैकडफ, उसका अंजाम बहुत बुरा होगा, तुम झेलोगे. और ये जो मैसेज है, इतना हेवी मैसेज है, ये मुझे वहां डिलीवर करना पड़ रहा है, ये तुम देखना, इसका बहुत बुरा अंजाम होएगा. He did, and with an absolute, sir, not I. The cloudy messenger turns me his back and hums, as who should say, you will rue the time. अफसोस होगा तुम्हें इस बात का, that clogs me with this answer, जिसने मुझे ये आंसर दिया है कि मैं नहीं आऊंगा. Lennox advised him to a caution to hold what distance his wisdom can provide. मैकडफ को बोलना मैकबेथ से जितना दूर रहे उतना अच्छा है. Some holy angel fly to the court of England and unfold his message. Oh, he come, that a swift blessing may soon return to this our suffering country under a hand accursed. Lord, I'll send my prayers with him. And Lennox कहता है कि कोई होली एंजल पहले पहुंच जाए कोर्ट ऑफ इंग्लैंड में, बता दे मैकडफ आ रहा है, so that everything is ready and we just get our kingdom back. His message, he come, that a swift blessing may soon return to this suffering country under a hand accursed, a country that is suffering under this tyrant called Macbeth. And the Lord says, I'll send my prayers with him. मैं अपनी prayers भेजूंगा. And then it is the end of this scene. Story goes on and on and on, and I think there is war coming up. इंग्लैंड से सपोर्ट लेके ये अटैक करेंगे स्कॉटलैंड पे, और शायद मैकबेथ की कहानी खत्म. बाय द वे, लेडी मैकबेथ भी है, कहीं घूम रही है, तो शी इज स्टिल इन द सीन. लेट्स सी व्हाट शी डज.